A computer graphic developer is an individual that creates the look of software. This can be seen through your phone and different softwares that you use, such as Word or AutoCAD. It makes it easier for you to use and follow. Jobs available for this discipline include a staff software engineer, graphics at Warner Bros. Entertainment, and an SR graphics systems software engineer at NVIDIA Corporation. These jobs require an individual to have a bachelor's degree in computer science and 5 to 8 years of experience. Each one requires something different. Warner Bros. Wants more game development, so work with Xbox One or PS4, and NVIDIA wants more work from them. Type of engineers can find work in many different companies, small and large. Some examples are Sony, Nintendo, and Pixar. These companies need people to make new graphics for their movies and games, including different interfaces for games and info players. Now, you can also find work with smaller companies doing websites. Any job, it depends on where you work. But the top 10% earns about $70,000 to $80,000 a year, while the lowest top 10 earns about $26,000. It's a big gap in pay, but the annual mean for this discipline is about $48,000. A developer has many duties when it comes to their job. Most of which is making sure that the customer is happy with what's going on, making sure that the look of it, the logo, the website, everything is what the customer wants. And just constantly making meetings with the customer, making sure it meets deadlines, making sure everything's okay. There are a few organizations that computer graphic developers can be a part of. One of them, though, is AIGA. AIGA has been around since 1914 and is one of the oldest professional membership organizations for design. And has over 20,000 members that are professionals, educators, and students nationally.
Artificial intelligence is a branch in computer science as a theory which consists of the development of computer systems being able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and translation between languages. A real-life example of this would be Siri. As technology advances, there is a higher demand for AI than ever before. Some needs include working in the military as an intelligence analyst and at the University of Southern California as a research programmer. Some of the major companies that would hire someone working in the artificial intelligence field are in Palo Alto Research Center in Palo Alto, California, and in Honeywell in Phoenix, Arizona. Typically, people within the artificial intelligence field will be working on projects in these companies. The expected median starting salary for this field is $56,600 and almost $98,000 as a mid-career average. A robotics scientist makes an average salary of $90,000 a year. These scientists must repeat the thinking process within an operating system to act similarly to a human. Some of the professional societies are the Association for the Advancement of Artificial Intelligence and the Association for Uncertainty in Artificial Intelligence.
There are a need for computer software and programmers in this nation because technology is in high demand. Computer programmers write code to create software programs. They turn the programs designed created by software developers and engineers into instructions that a computer can follow. Software developers are the creative mind behind the computer program. Current jobs that are available in the state of Connecticut is lead software developers, cyber coders, SSI, and NESCO. Expected salary range on average, a software developer or programmer will make $92,820 a year. Duties and responsibilities of a computer software engineer developer includes software design, participation in software product definition, including business case or gap analysis, specification, requirement analysis, participation in software release and post release, and maintenance. Societies are there to help you in your difficult major. The National Society of Black Engineers, or NESB for short, is a great society that will help you in your collegiate and your adult years. They are there to help you progress and succeed and prosper in your major and even to your adult life.
A description of an IT administrator is someone who goes into depth tech support to a business or society within a database or network. These people are the ones that solve the solutions within a computer. IT actually stands for information technology. A job that's actually looking for an IT administrator is in Cupertino, California. The person that's applying for this job must have at least a bachelor's degree, have 2 to 5 years of experience, be able to work on a Mac OS X server, be able to have English communication skills, and more importantly, must be able to work independently with very little supervision and also be able to work at a rapid pace. This job pays $75,000 to $100,000 a year. These type of engineers can get work in big companies like Apple, Samsung, and even Microsoft, but there is no specific location where they can actually get work because all businesses use them to fix and program softwares. The salary range for this job pays between $50,000 to $100,000 a year. On an average, the mean is $35 an hour. The responsibilities for this type of engineering is to keep and protect passwords, file system security, and data integrity for desktops. Also, they must keep and update documents and/or records of producers and outlines, and they must be able to fix problems within the programs. Professional societies related in this discipline is Association of Information Technology Professionals. This organization was formed in 1951 but got its official name in 1996. The organization recognizes the contribution of prominent professionals within the information technology field. As a whole, the AITP looks for growth in the professional development, support of an IT education, and to improve the society as a whole.